Hey there, Collena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today we're going to be talking about how you can increase your vocal range and improve your overall singing voice by using dopey sounds in your vocal training. But just before we get started, I just wanted to say a quick warm welcome to our new Voice Savvy subscribers. Welcome to our channel. We're so excited that you could join us. At Voice Savvy, we are dedicated to equipping you with the tools and the techniques to help take your singing to the next level. So welcome once again, and now let's talk about these dopey sounds. So using dopey sounds when singing is going to counteract an unnecessary high larynx. If your larynx gets too high when you're singing, then your voice is going to become strained and tense, and this is going to hinder your ability to sing with that openness and that freedom to creatively express yourself. So when the larynx becomes too high, it means that the swallowing muscles are getting involved in singing, and we definitely don't want that, because when this happens, it means that we're going to struggle to get good quality and control from our voices. Plus, we can't sing and swallow at the same time. Have you ever tried it? This is what it sounds like. It really doesn't work. So we definitely don't want those swallowing muscles involved in singing. So because dopey sounds help to lower and stabilize the larynx, it's really going to help you to get through your passaggio area much easier when you're training your voice. It's also going to help just release that strain and tension in your voice, as I've already mentioned, but it will also encourage more head voice resonance to come into play in your voice. So if you're a singer and you're experiencing strain and tension and just that restriction in your overall singing voice, then these dopey sounds are going to help you, and these exercises are going to help you. So without further ado, let's do the exercises. So we're going to start out by doing some yawning, which is really just going to drop the larynx, and we're going to use just a little bit of vocal fry just at the bottom as we slide into those bottom notes to help the vocal cords stay connected.
So keeping it nice and relaxed. Really yawning into the sound and using that vocal fry to connect.
This exercise is probably going to make you want to yawn for real.
Keeping it nice and open. Always makes me want to yawn, this one. For real.
Here we go again. So the next one we're going to do is the dopey mom, 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 mom. Let's take it to the scale. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom.
Keeping it nice and dopey again. Really being mindful of your airflow. Keeping your lips and your jaw nice and loose. Make sure to drop that jaw as we get higher.
So the next one we're going to do is the dopey woo, 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 woo. Let's take it to the scale.
Speak it more than sing it. Being mindful of airflow. Nice, you're doing well.
So the last one we're going to do is the dopey woof, 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 woof. Let's take it to the scale. Woof, 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 woof.
Watching your airflow with this one, and really trying to use that W as your support.
So you're just going to get really relaxed and dopey in the sound, and just be mindful also of the airflow, that you're not pushing too much air through your vocal cords. So that's it for dopey sounds. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then consider subscribing below and hitting that notification bell to stay up to date with the videos, and also share these videos with anyone that you feel is going to find them helpful. But that is it from me, amazing people. Until next time, I will see you soon. Mwah. Peace out.